Say in your son, I also mean you have a lot of bones come to eat and beat cheese, isn't it here?
Yes, these are. This way, but will you come here to eat much today?
On my side, these things lay down.
Come on, I've got half of it.
Wow, man.
Anywhere. Just look. Next.
This was shot down today.
The other half basically all run away.
Half of them run away, which means we have to fight day by day. Early in the morning, so much in the morning.
Don't say it 100 times big.
This belongs to home.
Alright, this is it.
It's 34 and 50 here.
Probably exceeds 50 here.
Are these still alive? Alive, just see. I can't give up. It's so powerful, so much. You use this thing to beat it down. Shelby.
Why hit me?
It's in the morning about 9 o'clock to noon. The one.
Flies a lot.
A lot. I can't come alone.
Can't fight.
2 people.
Personal fight, let's take a look now. Has there been any passing here? It seems that there is no such thing at this time. I haven't seen it here in Fengxiang. There is light and that general wind.
A monkey, but there? No. Do you want to move or not? Here is a 202 word 26.
One here is at the door of the branch house. Hit.
Open.
Oh, it's hurt. I'll give him meat to eat and find its nest.
I fed him meat, then set him aside.
Fine now, this can't be fought. He can't be fought. Now give him a sign. If you dig his nest, he won't come. Come to me.
Search his whole nest. If he falls, the manuscript should be summoned.
Okay, I can't help him.
There's a way to do it.
Drop it, that's great, and place it.
It found its home and then broke it off. That's
Absolutely, that's great.
a good thing.
Hurry up on the road. I'll get the wounded first.
Find once Gong Yong comes. Yes, no.
Move and take.
Come here.
All right. Come on, we're gonna wait at your house.
Wow, that honeycomb is on this mountain ridge.
Hewitt.
Our takeoff point is here in that house. It's different by 3.
Oh no, what's happening?
Measure it. False.
Found it.
Above the 3 beams, there is no road above. It is roughly in this position.
See any bamboo over there?
The bamboo on the ridge.
A bit below.
Maybe not. There is a road to that, but there is nothing. Hi.
That kind. Are there tea leaves planted in the back?
Yes, there is a small piece of meat over there, and there is another piece, and there is a bridge in one. Huh?
Over there.
Nice tea chats.
That's the tea field. Go in there.
Just go up from the tea field. Pile of yellow. This angle. It's below. Oh, look.
Arrived? Absolutely.
It's already 6:20 for a while now. If the sun goes down, we can hardly see it. So we'll just spike quickly and sleep quickly.
Okay, look, look, look. Get dressed. Climbing up drained me. Let's dig together later.
All right, it's too much.
Prepare it.
Okay, not good.
All right, this kid. Wow, it's got all this stuff.
Let's have a look.
Searching a lot. Wow. Really long.
Phone is it?
Take my phone.
These speaker work.
Wow. You think?
How massive is this rock?
Push such a big one forward.
Come out.
So thick to push it out. Do you think it's so thick?
There is life.
Husbands won't overflow greatly.
Enough.
Because it wasn't beaten by the beekeeper. It won't be sealed for almost 100 or 200, huh? There are basically no fans, you see. There is very little air volume for cooperation. Well, the air volume is very small. Just dig it. Suddenly it is dark somewhere.
Well, such a big stone is pushed out.
Only strong place here.
Not too soft.
Go crazy. See the empty nest.
Found the hive. Not deep.
Is it?
Instead of moving in this position, usually in this position, oh my life is so cold. I can't dig the sound of falling. If I can't stand it, just shrink it. I'll dig it for 2 days.
The whole nest is out. They have 1 floor, 2 floors, 3 floors, 4 floors, and there should be 5 floors.
Did it burst? Okay, okay, then hug me, hug me. After this, isn't it huge?
Unhappy?
Yes, absolutely.
Pluto diving episode.
Fine, a small one remains.
We'll take a look. Nope.
My mother.
Beautiful. Let's look at the next layer, okay?
Fine. Whoa, Huang Mama, Huang Man.
Look at the next layer.
Take it away.
These can't stay because this house is in that fire, right?
Yes.
Crazy.
Crazy, grab and take away. I'm taking home the anak 8+1.
Here, fill me up.
Full, full.
Around 8 o'clock,
About.
isn't it?
It's very thick, several layers.
Now in the evening when you go outside, the factory will come back.
I can't take a picture clearly. It's getting dark.
This pressure door is fine. Departing without notice will scream suddenly.
That's awesome.
Here, pass. It's only 400 meters to the place where bees are kept in the house, and you can see the house. It's still here.
It's like his back garden.
Roar, youth.
This queen bee isn't serious.
Too rude, huh?
Yeah, he uses it as a restaurant.
Him.
The restaurant has a buffet like a buffet. I go there every day.
Ah, there is so much wind that uncle called 200 more.
Zoveng long and erhusai kayo. Cram a cage.
Uncle charged 200 yuan nearly, sent 2 packages at night costing 200 too. Full of orders, stunningly beautiful with this protection.
Look at this one. Look, there are still so many seals here.
Ouch. The wind outside scattered it fully.
King Tong also caught.
Dropped.
Oops, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. There are thousands of words that can be transmitted.
Ouch!